we will trade not gold, not silver, but other precious metal, which is called platinum. Well, it might not be as flashy and as renowned as gold or silver, but nevertheless, I would say it's not necessarily a worse market to trade. In fact, I don't see the big difference between them. They have strong correlation between themselves. Like, if you want, you could look historical charts of platinum and see for yourself that it actually trades rather similarly as a gold. So they have kind of similar historical trends, and for us, what's most importantly, they have similar short-term moves, which gives us similar profit opportunities. Well, as a default option, gold is pretty good market to trade, and platinum is as good as, by definition, as good as the gold. So in terms of opportunities, there is plenty of them. I will give you my perception and my views how you could make money here, and show you how to enter and close these kinds of trades based purely on price action. So what are the setups? I will risk 1,000 per each trade, and you'll make 530 or 53% per each profitable trade. Trade duration will be only 5 seconds because I trade on quick opportunity windows, which are given by price action moves or moving averages. In other words, when prices are going sharply upwards, I go long, or they are falling sharply, I will go short. Or when prices are closing moving below moving average, I go short, and consequently, when prices are up moving average, I will go long. Simple yet effective approach which has helped me to trade thousands of trades across all possible markets. And now we will do this in today's trading session in platinum.
You will be going here if you are new to pocket options, so you just have to click something like registration, and you will just sign up the form, or either you could go and sign up with Google depending on what are your preferences and your email setups. And basically that's all there is. Once you bought sign up button, you have to put your basic data like your name, surname, email, place where you reside and stuff like that. Once that is set, you have to simply go through ID verification process, where you will actually start to upload your information regards your ID and KYC. Once this is settled, you basically could start to trade like you see with free demo account. So once you are set, you could open interface which looks like that, and basically that's it. You actually have like only a couple of minutes to register, and if you don't want to deposit money right away, you could just make your registration with a demo account and see how it works. Once you are set, you could basically open finance button and start to deposit money, and deposit monies are very simple, either with cards or with cryptos, so it's all up to you. But these are like 1, 2, 3 steps. Firstly, you just register with Pocket Option by using your Google account or name your basic information. If this is settled, you put your KYC in there, open account, which I just show you, which looks exactly like this one. You will see that, then you press finance, press deposit, and you could start to trade and follow my trading instructions.
And we probably will make around 5 trades. Let's see how many of these will be profitable. I would say most of them. So let's start. Okay, trade number 1. We are edging above moving average and prices are going sharply upwards. That gives us only one way how to trade. In other words, we had to go long, and we made profit. We had short opportunity window of 5 seconds, but nevertheless we made $530 in this trade. So trade number 2. We are keeping previous direction and are trending upwards, and that means, well, there is only one thing to do, and that is go long. Yes, prices actually were really close to opening price. They were just an inch higher, but still we made $530, and narrow or wide opportunity doesn't matter. Money is money. Okay, trade number 3. We are inching above moving average, and that means we have to go long, simply no other way. Yes, this also was close trade, but what there is to do, if prices are going up, we have to go up, and our narrow time frame helped us to make money. So let's move further. Okay, trade number 4. We are still at similar price levels, but still we are going up because we are above the trend line and prices are inching higher, and that meant we had to make this profitable trade because, well, prices continued to rise. So nothing fancy here, not a rocket science, right? Of course. Okay, trade number 5. So what we have here, prices continue to climb. Nothing else to say. And yes, it was also short as well, but our profit doesn't matter whether we are going double our initial price or we have 1 cent above it. We will still make same money because we trade options. Yes, and this was our trading session. We made 5 profitable trades. Each trade was $530. That means we made $2,150 for today's trading session. Markets were choppy. There were no clear price action in midst of trading, but still, we used our time frames and profit opportunities wisely, so we made some money, and that's what it counted.
Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell so you don't miss notifications about new content. There's a lot of interesting stuff here, from live trading sessions to trading education and best trading strategies. And to get even more cool content, I am across social media, so subscribe to my other social networks by using links in description. My Telegram channel will give you not only trading lessons, but live trading signals. So join me and let's make money together.